Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a basic overview, some general information, and my first impressions on this FLAVEHC cast iron sourdough bread Dutch oven that I got on Amazon. I'm really a fan of this Dutch oven. Let me tell you what I love about it. Anytime I buy something online, there are two things that are most important to me. The first is the quality of the materials used, and secondly, the quality of construction. And so what I always do is go through, make sure that there aren't any problems with the materials, that there aren't any chips or cracks on the finish, that everything looks like it's supposed to be, and it's going to be working for a long time. And after a thorough inspection, this Dutch oven is ready to go. So let's talk about the oven itself. It is made from heavy-duty cast iron. And if you bake like I do, you know that's the best material to use. And this one is made specifically for sourdough bread. It's all about the shape. The dome is what makes it great. It's also tight-fitting. You don't have to worry about it sliding off. It's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain, so all you have to do is wash it in the sink, hand wash, don't put it in the dishwasher. It has a nice sturdy handle. The grooves on the bottom make it a lot easier to get the bread out. And it does have a non-stick surface on the top and on the bottom. It comes in two sizes and a lot of different colors. And so it'll help turn this into this. If you are looking for a cast iron Dutch oven to take your sourdough bread baking to the next level, I highly recommend that you give the FLAVEHC a look. It works for me and my family. It's a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.